Geometry students to class today, welcome to Mathematical Excellence. I hope you guys are ready to learn some math today, or at least review some math, and get ready for your test tomorrow. Let's go over some really important announcements. Here we go. Number one, you have a test tomorrow. If you did not know that, you've not been paying attention, okay? You will have a test tomorrow. Go ahead and turn in your homework from last night, except for Jabari. Jabari, you turned yours in already, so you're good. And by the way, Miss Chambers, I know yesterday was a complete circus for you. I know you were really stressed and busy, but I don't know students, if you all turned in Friday's work or forgot to, or Miss Chambers, if you didn't put it in my box. I'm not sure, but I did not have any of Friday's homework from anyone. So please, if you guys did not turn it in now, and let's get that taken care of, okay? Alright, moving on. So turn in last night's homework and Friday's homework if you did not turn it in. And one more thing, guys. Hey, I need the papers to be taken out of the folder, okay? So I'm not sure if Miss Chambers passes those out, or if she has told you guys it's your job to get into the folder and get your own papers. But if she has told you that's your job to get those, then you need to get into the folder and take those out, okay? You need to have those stored away. That's your only proof that you did your homework. What if I make a mistake and give you a 0 accidentally? That quiz that you got a 95 on, that's your only proof that you got a 95. What if I accidentally write it down wrong and get it turned around and give you a 59? Okay? The only proof that you have is your quiz that you kept. You should always keep your papers until the 9 weeks is over, or until the semester is over. So guys, please get your papers out of the folder, okay? Or I am going to throw them away if you're not going to take them, okay? Moving on. Incompletes for track 2. Here we go. I gave this on Monday, last Monday. Jaden, I hope Jaden's doing okay. I have no idea. If someone wants to email me and tell me, I would appreciate it. But he owes me that assignment. Quiz number 9 must be taken by Friday. Jaden and Libby. Okay? Page 313 was given last Tuesday. Jaden still owes that to me. And Jaden last Thursday's assignment too. Okay? Now, quiz number 10 from last week. Sarah and Jaden. This must be taken by Friday. Okay? I'll remind you guys every day. Please don't forget to take it. Alright, moving on. Schedule. We're going to go over what will be on the test tomorrow, and then you're going to work on your review sheet. Okay? Here's the review sheet. Remember, if you do the entire review sheet, you will get 5 bonus points on your test. Please do it. Now, it looks huge, okay? I know it's 40 problems, but go ahead and copy this down, please. Here's your review sheet, copy it down. But the help video is only about 37 minutes long, probably even shorter than that. Most of the problems can be done quickly. You will not have a lot left over to do at home. In fact, you basketball players or you fans that like to go to the games, you can probably get it done in class today. Which doesn't mean you're ready for your test. You still need to study tonight, okay? But you can probably get most of it, if not all of it, done in class, okay? So here's your review sheet. Copy this down. Page 343, 10 through 33, and page 346, 1 through 17. The help video is called Geometry, Track 2, Chapter 6 Review Sheet. So make note of that. The help video for this assignment is Geometry, Track 2, Chapter 6 Review Sheet. And go ahead and start it. Miss Chambers at the 9-minute, 32-second mark, okay? So fast forward to 9 minutes and 32 seconds. Now let's quickly go over what will be on the test when it comes to fill in the blanks. And yes, this time I will give you a word bank, okay? I will not forget. No, I'm going to go fast, so Miss Chambers will need to pause the video a lot. So here we go. First of all, there's the terms that you need to know the definition of for fill in the blanks, okay? Polygon, diagonal, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, trapezoid, isosceles, trapezoid. Please write those down, okay? I'm going to move on. Please write those down. The theorems that you need to know that will be on the test are theorems 6.1 through 6.5 and 6.10 through 6.13. Now that's only what? 9 theorems you have to know. But they will be on the test, so know those please very well. Now also there are corollaries you had to learn, okay? There was the rhombus, the rectangle, and the square corollaries, okay? So you have to know those 3 corollaries also. They're in your notes, you'll see them there, okay? So know those 3 corollaries. The one for the rhombus, the one for the rectangle, 6 ways to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, so here we go. Both sets of opposite sides are parallel. Both sets of opposite sides are congruent. Both sets of opposite angles are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. One angle is supplementary to both of its consecutive angles. And lastly, two sides are both parallel and congruent. Okay, those are the 6 ways to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. You need to be able to list those out, okay? Most of this was on your last quiz, so I think you guys are pretty well ready, hopefully, for the fill in the blanks. That's it, students. That should do it. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Go ahead and get to work on your review sheet, which is right back here. Right here. Go ahead and start on your review sheet. And Miss Chambers, here's the help video the students can use to help them work on their review sheet. Alright?